What's going on, guys? My name is Jason Brown, Chairman 750 here with I Am Mastery Academy. And if you're watching this video, maybe you came across it on YouTube and you're searching around to see if this is a legit opportunity, or maybe a friend or someone on social media, or maybe an ad, a funnel led you here. Guys, this video is not going to be very long, but I want to really give you a few key factors, a few key facts that make me believe every single day more and more and more that over the last 5 years, I made the best decision in my life to align and go all in with I Am Mastery Academy. So again, my name is Jason Brown, and I first got started in this company back in November of 2015 to learn how to trade, right? I knew nothing about trading. Probably like most of you, I thought, well, that's really not for me. Right? I don't have a lot of money. Well, I didn't at the time, and that was what I was telling myself, right? I don't have the money. I'm not that good at math. I look at those charts and I'm like, wow, that looks like a heartbeat monitor. I don't know what to do. But what I understood is that for me, in that moment, if nothing changed, nothing changed. So I had to just lower my, skepticism a little bit and take a look at this platform. And I'm so grateful that I did, because at that time I was about $70,000 in debt and I needed something. Now, this company was founded July 4th of 2013. So it's been around for quite some time. And I have seen for the last almost 5 years since I got started, the development of this platform. And what we focus on are three major markets. The first one is called foreign exchange. Now, most of you guys are familiar with the stock market. Stock market averages $20 to $25 billion per day in money being circulated. It's a huge market, right? We're very familiar with Wall Street and the different exchanges around the world. Forex, foreign exchange, is $6-7 trillion a day, according to different articles that you can look up and verify for yourself. So this is a very big market. And the reason why it's so big and the reason why it's really growing is because of technology. Now, foreign exchange is one currency being traded for the other. So if you've ever traveled outside of the country or wherever you live, you have to change your currency for the currency that is relevant in the place that you're going. That's a foreign exchange transaction. But because of our smartphones and our technology, we're able now to trade through a broker. We're not a broker. We don't take investments, but the customer, you go out, you find your broker just like you find your bank account. You do your due diligence, you look at what broker is best for you, and again, that's all on you. Our role in this market is the educational role. So yeah, you could have a bank account, but if nobody teaches you what to do with it, you're kind of trying to figure it out on your own. The reason why I personally partnered with I Am Mastery Academy is because I wanted to learn the skill. And so foreign exchange is the focus. There's a ton of value, and I'm going to share a few more things before the end of this video on why I believe if you're brand new to trading, you should start your journey with Forex. Now, the second thing that we focus on is cryptocurrency. I personally am very well invested with time and my finances in the cryptocurrency markets, because I believe that blockchain and certain coins, certain altcoins, are a pivotal part of the world's future. It just makes sense. And so I'm not telling you to go out and get involved in these markets, but I encourage people on a day-to-day basis to get educated. Really do your research and find out why blockchain and which coins are going to play a pivotal role in the world's future. The third thing is called high frequency exchange, and that's where we really focus on a faster paced, more active version of trading. It's become very popular, and I always tell people, if you're a go-getter, you're a red personality, you're very, hands-on, HFX would be a great place for you to also go and learn a skill. But the key here is learning, and so we target all three of those exchanges in 4 ways. Number one, through the academy, right? The recorded education, where we take you from basic to intermediate to advanced with recorded videos, tests, and quizzes, so you can really retain that information on your time. Now, the second thing is go live. That to me is the most important part of our platform. It's my favorite part. We teach over 2,000 hours a month. We have over 150 educators in 15 languages on that platform, live streaming throughout the day. No matter what schedule you're on, no matter where you are in the world, and no matter what language you speak, pretty much, we can bring value to you. And so a little screen pops up. The educator is live streaming. You have a chat box on the side, which is super cool and interactive. It allows you to answer, ask questions and get your answers. And then we also have all the recordings. So if you think about it, 2,000 hours plus per month of live education, and then you have a database of all the recordings. In my opinion, that has become our big source of value, no matter what exchange, no matter what skill you want to learn. The third component is the community, right? We run on convenience. Everybody's moving around. Most of the time, it feels like a million miles an hour. There's one thing we always have in our hand. That's our smartphone. So we have an app. You download it, the I Am Mastery Academy app, and you can plug into your favorite educators, your favorite people, and get alerts throughout the day of what's happening in the market, maybe some breaking news, maybe an update of something you were looking at on their session. So to me, that's a super cool little bonus part of our platform. And the fourth thing are what we call our strategies. And we have a team of developers and super smart people that have partnered with the educators to take their strategies and help the computer understand what the human being is thinking, so that we have tools working at our side 24 hours a day, 5 days a week when the Forex markets are open, and 24 hours a day, 7 days a week when the cryptocurrency markets are open. And so imagine you're learning this skill, you're surrounded in a community of over 250,000 active members, and you also have tools that are working for you as like a personal assistant. So to me, this is a very complete platform. And guys, the total cost to get involved for trading platforms around the world typically is thousands of dollars. I've traveled to 45 countries and I've met people that have paid a lot of money to learn the skill, and they end up here. We're very grateful for that, but we've really got it to a point where we can sustain growth almost anywhere in the world in any type of economy. And that was our goal, right? To bring Wall Street to the Main Street. And so we have two different levels that you can get involved in. At $235, you can have FRX, which is foreign exchange, DCX, which is cryptocurrency, or HFX, which is high frequency exchange. Or if you're all in and you're serious, $325, you pay for the elite package and you get access to all 3 exchanges in one shot. It's kind of like getting an all access pass at a concert, right? You get to go backstage in every room and get to see some, cool stuff. So here, that's really the umbrella perspective of our platform. But no matter where you get started, no matter what level, what we really tell people, what we really urge is that you just take this serious, right? This is not a get rich quick, but this is an opportunity to really build a skill. And when you go to college, you're ready to make that long-term commitment. I'm not telling you you're gonna need 4, 8 years to do this. People are learning 3, 6, 9, 12 months, right? They're grabbing the skill. Everybody has a different learning index. So at least make the commitment, my urge to you, 3 to 6 months, and let this platform work in your favor. Guys, here's the icing on the cake. I love free. Our company put together a program where you as a customer can make referrals and get your services for free. It's very simple. You refer 2 customers in between your subscriptions because it works monthly. And if you have 2 active referrals that match your package or greater, by the time your next subscription is due, the company waives it and you get to access the services for free. If you don't want to refer anybody, don't worry. Over 85% of our company doesn't refer a single person, and we're completely fine with that. But we wanted to give an opportunity for you to partner with us and help us share this mission around the world. So with that being said, guys, thank you. Welcome to I Am Mastery Academy.